Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hey guys, Stephen Ford from My Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today I'm down in Auckland City, as we can see on our left here, Sky City. And we're down in what it's called Auckland Viaduct. It's really down by the waterfront. And as you can see, down should be behind me, narrow neck where the navies are. But this is just a viewing platform that we're up on, viewing back towards Auckland City. And of course, you'll see me behind me, the Auckland Harbour Bridge, somewhere at the back there. Now this is one of the wonderful areas that's specifically been designed for families. And as you can see down the bottom here, the children's playing in the playground, and of course, down the back here. And there's a lot of visitors coming in, and of course the fish market's just across the road here. Now, what am I taking this moment to talk about in this video? Again, pretty simple. This one is about goal setting once again. You got to have your goals. Most people keep it in their head, nothing wrong with it. Some people keep it in their hearts, nothing wrong with it either. But I tell you what, it's an area, if you keep it in your heart, to give you an early heart attack. So what am I saying? It is really, really important that you take out a pen and paper and take out these ideas that you have in your head and put it on pen and paper. And that's a goal. Once you have it in a written format, it's the most amazing thing. Just like planning the city. To plan the city, planners has to draft up drawings before the city is built. A lot of us, a lot of you guys, are trying to go into the future with just plans up here in your head and your heart. That's a place to give you a headache and a heart attack, early heart attack. Get these ideas out on paper. That way you can see it literally. It's become a reality, see? Once you write it on paper, it's real. It's not to say people's going to look in your head for it. They're just going to look at your piece of paper and you'll see it for yourself. And I think that's the beauty. That the great thing that what we write, or even use these tools that we have today and to record them. Computer, what you call it? Screensavers. You can save your goals in there, and that's the beauty. You can use modern digital formats to record your goals. And that's really the emphasis of today, is talking about the goals that we can set. And it has to be in a written format or in a digital format at the same token. And the guaranteed reality to the fact is, because you wrote it, well, you recorded on the video on digital format, that's reality. You have brought it in the universe out of your head and recorded it for the whole world to see before that goal comes to be. I wrote a goal. It was an idea, actually, and I'll talk a little bit about, just take one idea. And it was an idea that I came up with 2007. And that idea was to become a billionaire. And I called myself at the time called New Billionaire, 2007. 2012, I wrote a dummy check, carried it in my wallet with that number in it. $1 billion with my name on it. This is not to boast, but just to give you an idea what a written goal, or especially a written income goal can become a reality. I wrote that check, $1 billion worth, 2023 in March, exactly in March on my birthday. I traded on an account, on a crypto account, and reached 190 billion US dollars. Don't have to believe that. This video will record to show, yes, it did happen. I'll show you some pictures of some of that reality. I recorded it. Even I couldn't believe it, and I had to record it to show its reality. I'm a billionaire just because I wrote it. I wrote it down. That's what goal setting is about, my friend. Take what's in your head, write about it. Give it time to materialize. That means come to reality. And you'd be surprised how your own goal can be quite and unique in the midst, and the miracles, I think, of having a written goal. And I do encourage, if you do, or if you are writing a goal of the future, don't forget we're going into the future. So what costs today $1 in the future might be $10. So don't set your goals to the standard of today. Set it to the standard of your imaginations and your fantasies. That's where it belongs. But once you start writing about it and recording on a digital format or your computer, that's making it a reality. You're making it real. And that's a wonderful thing about it. It's free. Anybody can have it. You just got to take the moment and take Mr. R. Ford's ideas, start recording it. I'm recording it on video today because it's a digital format, and why not? What stops you? I got a YouTube video channel. Why? Because I saw somebody else doing it, and why not? Why not? I got a big, huge Facebook fans. Why? Why not? It's that sort of attitude you got to have. And don't ever allow anybody to tell you you cannot be what you want to be in your lifetime. But make sure whatever that is that you're going to be, whatever you want to be in the future, it's worth it. Make it worth it. I mean, it's going to have to pay some bills. Come on. Make it worth it. Make sure it's a financial one. The wife is down there somewhere doing her own recording. But there we are, my friend. Stephen R. Ford from R. Ford Fortune, a billionaire, 2023. Not boasting. I'm sharing an idea. Check one idea. Take ownership of that idea. Work that idea until you get it in your hands. And don't ever, even yourself, doubt the possibilities of your own goals coming to reality. It takes time. Don't forget, 2007, I had that idea to be a billionaire. 2023, I actually reached those numbers. And it's helped also with the goal that I had written and I carried in my wallet. Count the time. It is just the time that you got to beat. That's your challenge to get to your goal. My goal was to be a billionaire. Here I am, recording, giving you some ideas how to get yours. Whatever your goal is, it doesn't have to be a billionaire. Whatever your goal is, write it down, please. Please, write it down or record it on your phone. Your phone or your smartphone these days, I have noticed, it's got what it's called a calendar. Click on the calendar, click on the date, and you'll be surprised. That's a diary. You can actually record things in your calendar in your smartphone. So use it. Use it. I don't know if I can get through it, but let me look through it. Hold on, wait there. I don't know if it will come up, but